Baby First. Click the subscribe button below.
Little Boy Blue, alone in his room, no one to play with, and nothing to do. Yawn, yawn, yawn. He's so bored. But then, there from his corner, what did he spy? A great big door with a handle up high. Where does it go? What does it hide? What's the surprise on the other side? He reached for the handle with all of his might. He jumped from the left and he jumped from the right. But for one little child, it was way too high. For one little child, it was as high as the sky. Sweet baby Pink, alone in her room, no one to play with and nothing to do. Yawn, yawn, yawn. She's so bored. Help me, please, said Little Boy Blue. To open a door I want to get through. A door, she asked? What on earth for? It's probably a cupboard and nothing more. No, no, said Boy Blue, I'm pretty sure it's better than a boring cupboard door. But I need your help. Its handle I can't reach. I think it may open to a day at the beach. The beach? The beach? Wow, wow, wee! The sand and the sun and the waves in the sea. I wish I had a door. I'm sure it's all that I need. So they jumped for the handle with all of their might. They jumped from the left and they jumped from the right. But for two little children, it was way too high. For two little children, it was as high as the sky. Little white bunny, alone in his room, no one to play with and nothing to do. Yawn, yawn, yawn. He's so bored. Help us, said sweet baby Pink. To open a door, what do you think? A door, he exclaimed. I think I don't dare. What if it's dark and scary in there? No, listen, she said. No noise and no knock. If it was scary inside, there would be a lock. I think it opens to something grand. I think it's a door to a fantasy land. A fantasy land? Wow, wow, wee! With castles and rainbows, unicorns, pink trees. I wish I had a door. I'm sure it's all that I need. So they jumped for the handle with all of their might. They jumped from the left and they jumped from the right. But for three little children, it was way too high. For three little children, it was as high as the sky. Big orange fellow, alone in his room, no one to play with and nothing to do. Yawn, yawn, he's so bored. Help, cried White Bunny, we need someone tall. We'll stand on your shoulders and try not to fall. The door is closed, he remarked. That's why it's a door, to keep people out. That's what a door's for. No, no, said White Bunny, I don't think you see. If that was the case, a wall it would be. This kind of door, don't judge so soon. This is a door straight to the moon. The moon? The moon? Wow, wow, wee! With aliens and craters, stars and galaxies, I wish I had a door. I'm sure it's all that I need. So little boy Blue climbed on Sweet Baby Pink, and Sweet Baby Pink climbed on White Bunny, and White Bunny stood on Big Orange Fellow. They reached for the handle with all of their height. They swayed to the left and they swayed to the right, and four little friends reached for the sky. They grabbed the door handle with all of their might. The door swung wide open, and what did they find?
Hello? Hello? Hi, it's me again. In today's program, I'm going to be Dr. Max. Hi, GooGoo. Look what I can do. Whoop. They come to my hands. Whoop. Go and see who wants to play, GooGoo. I'm going to get the doctor's tools ready in the meantime. What does this do?
Can we play? We want to play.
We want to play with you, Dr. Max.
You do?
Yes, we do.
You don't look very sick. Go and get ready. I'm coming in a minute.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I want to be the nurse. Do you think he'll let me be the nurse, Hug?
Ready.
What's wrong, Hug?
My hand hurts. Can you call Dr. Max?
Oh, wait a minute. GooGoo's calling me. Are you feeling sick, GooGoo? But I have no idea what you're saying.
Doctor! Doctor! I need the doctor!
Oh, wait a minute, GooGoo. Hug's calling me.
Coming.
What do you need, Hug?
I need Dr.
Oh,
Max.
yes. He'll come in a minute.
I'm sick too. I need the doctor.
Oh, wait a minute, Hug. Harry needs me too. Oh, what's wrong, Harry?
Doctor!
Oh, but the doctor hasn't come yet. Oh, I'm dizzy. Oh.
I'm ready to play. I'll just put this doctor's cloak on. Hey, where's the hole? Oh, boo. Bye.
Everybody needs you, Doctor.
Yes, I'm coming. Now, let's see who's not feeling well. Harry, what's wrong? Oh, you look very pale.
He's been coughing terribly, Dr. Max.
Oh dear, Nurse Giggs. That's not very good. We better check Harry with this thing.
Oh, what is that? Will it hurt? What are you doing? It tickles! It tickles!
Okay, I think Harry will be okay.
But Dr. Max, there are still some more sick dolls.
Oh, okay. Let's see what's wrong with Hug. Come here, Hug. What's this on your hand?
I need you to tell me, Dr. Max.
I think it's a prinkle in the dinkle of the winkle.
Oh dear. What is that?
I don't know. I just made it up. Come here, GooGoo. Now it's your turn for a checkup. I want to listen to your freckles. You have 3 freckles.
Do I have any freckles? Check my freckles too.
Don't be silly, Hug. You don't have any freckles.
But I want some too.
Okay, Hug.
Goody. Doctor, that's not a freckle. That's my eye.
Did you say something, Hug? I can't hear you. Here, you try these on. You can have a go.
That's a funny looking microphone, Hug. Can you hear me?
Whoa! That's really loud, Harry.
So it is a microphone.
What have you found, Doctor?
Everything looks bigger. Come here, Hug. Let's check your eyes.
Ooh.
I think you might need glasses.
Glasses? Yay!
Try these yellow ones.
Oh, yes. I want glasses.
Let's see if they fit you, Hug.
Oh, yes, Dr.
Oh,
Max.
yeah. They look
They
good.
fit. I can see.
Really? You can? Let's have a look. Wow, cool. Yeah, GooGoo. Now it's your turn to be doctor. Come and check if I have fever. You're tickling me, GooGoo. You're tickling me.
I think your ears need checking, Dr. Max. Let's have a look.
Ooh, what's there, Hug? That tickles too. Hey, guys. I found a car. Let's pretend it's an ambulance.
Can I drive? I want to drive.
Who's coming for a ride?
But actually, wait a minute. I don't know if I can drive by myself. Oh no, this is scary. Hey guys, did you see me drive? I know how to drive.
Well done, Hug. Let's dance. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. What's in the box?
Wow, what is it?
Let's go and have a look. Wait, somebody's coming.
Who is it, Harry?
What's going on here?
Hide, everybody.
Oh, look. A box. Am I allowed to touch it?
What's he going to do?
It's a box of toys. Let's see what's inside. Who wants to play with me?
He'll see us.
Oh, there's GooGoo. Do you want to play with me? Look, GooGoo, here's a slide. Come on and fly to the toys. Did you see all the toys I found in that box? Huh? What did you get? What is that, GooGoo? A red racing car. Wow, cool. Give me 5. Yeah.
Ooh, GooGoo's having fun with that
look.
boy.
I want to play too. Yoo-hoo, little boy. Can I play with you, please?
A ball.
Yeah, throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. I got it.
Wow.
Look, I found a green bowling pin.
Let me try and hit it with the ball.
See if you can get the ball in here, Hug.
Whoop.
Yay, well done, Hug. You did it.
Yay, I did it. This is fun. This is
I want to play too.
Come on, Harry. You can play with us.
Yay.
Sit here next to me.
Woohoo.
You're a cute bunny.
Can I cuddle you, please?
Yay, cuddle.
I want to cuddle too. Can you cuddle me? Aw, thank you.
This is really fun playing with
This
this
is
boy,
real
isn't it, Harry?
Let's see if it's ticklish. Goo 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 goo.
Let me try.
Yes, he is.
He is ticklish.
Hey, everybody. I'm going to look for a game that we can all play with that boy. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Oh, I found something. A game of animal cards. I'm going to give each of you half an animal, and we've got to put the other half together to discover the whole animal. Here you go, GooGoo. Can you help us match the cards together, please?
Okay. Whose card is this? And the other half? I wonder what animal this is. It's a lion.
Yay!
Rawr.
Well done. You completed my card. Thank you. Thank you.
Give me 5.
High five.
Thanks a lot. Ooh, another cuddle.
hug.
Are there any more animals? I wonder what animal this is. A zebra.
Good, GooGoo. Now who has the other half of the last animal? Who did I give it to? I think it was Peekaboo. Where's Peekaboo? Oh, where did he go?
Hey, he's gone. Where did he
Maybe
go?
he went over here. Peekaboo.
Where did he go?
Peekaboo.
I heard him over there.
I think I saw him. I think I saw him over here. Where is he? Let's look behind. Did I see someone? Peekaboo. Where is he? I'm sure I heard him. Maybe down here? No. Where did he go? Peekaboo.
I don't know where he went. Maybe he went home.
Peekaboo.
I can hear him. There.
Yoo-hoo.
No? There. No.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yoo-hoo.
Peekaboo. I'm going to find you.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Where did he go? Where's Peekaboo? I'm sure I heard him. Where is he?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
There he is. Peekaboo. And there's the missing card. Thank you, Peekaboo. Let's put the two halves together.
Let's see what animal it is. Do you know what animal it is, Hug?
No, Let's see what comes out. Oh, look! It's a giraffe, Harry.
Yes, it is.
That's it. We finished all the cards. Bye.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
for helping
playing
us.
with us.
Thank you.
It was fun. Don't mention it. Now it's time to go to sleep. Come on, all my friends. Everyone come and lie down. I'm so tired. It was such a fun day. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.
White tiger. Gorilla. Lemur. Koala bear. White tiger. Gorilla. Lemur. Koala bear.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, oh, and Bingo was his name. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa?
playing dress up.
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward. Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
playing dress up.
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward. Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
playing dress up.
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward. Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
playing dress up.
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
No, Papa.
Please step forward.
We've been partying on the floor. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Hey! Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.